Hey, what's going on? It's Nick here from Ways to Wealth. Thank you for tuning in week 36 of the market recap. I hope you all are enjoying your Labor Day long weekend. For those of you that are returning subscribers who are come back and watch my channel week in and week out, thank you so much. I appreciate it. For those of you that are brand new, we highlight key events that happened in the market over the past week. So I'd like to ask you a huge favor. If you get some value, if you've learned something new, smash that like button. It definitely helps my channel grow. For those of you that haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell on. We do this every single week. This is a little bit of a different episode with so much going on in the markets right now. We saw a little bit of a pullback. I want to know what you guys think is going to happen next. We'll break down a few scenarios, but let me know down in the comments, do you think we are going up? Do you think we are going down? Or do you think that we are consolidating and there's going to be a little bit of a sideways movement? All right, let's dive in. So week in and week out, I look to provide you with the most relevant content. I look to provide you with some educational pieces about what's going on. But this week, I was absolutely struggling. It is so much uncertainty in the market. And I feel like I just keep touching on those major chords a little bit too much, whether it's with Apple or with Tesla. So I decided that we're going to do something a little bit differently this week, and I hope you guys like it. We're going to figure out whether you are bearish, which means that you think that the underlying stock, you think that that is going to go down, or whether you are bullish, that stocks only go up. Do you think all we see is upward trajectory from here, or are you neutral? Are you thinking that this is just going to be sideways consolidation? So let's go and let's look at a few. The aforementioned Apple and Tesla, I know I just said that I mentioned them too much, but we'll touch on those briefly. I know the stock split happened a couple weeks ago. If you haven't watched my video, I'll throw the link up here, just highlighting what a stock split is and why a company would do it. We saw both these companies skyrocket. Now we've seen a little bit of a pullback. I think Apple's down 10% in the past couple days, and Tesla's off maybe 20% from the highs. But I want to know from you what you think. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? Or are you neutral? This week we also saw something that we haven't seen in a while, and that is the Nasdaq. It was down 2 consecutive days, down about probably 6%. And I want to know what you think. Is this a buying opportunity? Obviously, we're buying and holding for a long period of time, but is tech the play over the next 5 to 10 to 20 years? Or do you think it's bearish? Do you think it's overbought? Do you think everybody and their mother has bought into tech stocks and it's reminding you of the tech bubble, or at least you've read about the tech bubble in 1999? And you are bearish on it? Let me know down below. The S&P 500 also saw a little bit of a sell-off this week, down around 4 and change percent. Is this for you something that's going to signal further downside? Do you think because Tesla wasn't added to the S&P, it's only going to go down? The economy's showing its true colors? Or do you think this is a perfect buying opportunity? Do you think that the stock is consolidating for its race to 4,000? Let me know down below. What are your thoughts on the precious metals, gold and silver? I know we saw gold a couple weeks back hit over that 2,000 an ounce plateau. We've also seen silver trend up to 27, kind of hovering around those marks now. Are you bullish? Are you bearish on the precious metals? Do you think that there's more quantitative easing, that we're going to get a second wave, and you're extremely bullish? Or are you bearish, thinking that the economy is going to come back, raging bull? Let me know down below. If there is a investment vehicle that I've missed, something that you're bullish on, something that you're bearish on, let me know down below, whether that's REITs, financials, whether it's renewable energy. I know that's a hot topic right now. What I want to do is create a community of learning. So let me know what you think down below, and I would love to learn from you. And that is all for this week in the market recap. I hope you enjoyed a little bit of a new style. I hope that we can join our ideas together and learn from each other. I hope you guys have a great Labor Day long weekend. Have a great week, short week on the markets. Happy trading.